Today we invite you to visit with us Samut Prakan City Observatory. We will see the old Samut Prakan clock tower, the riverfront and a dinosaur park on the way.
We start our trip in Pak Ngam BTS station.
The tower is located about 550 meters from Pak Ngam BTS station. A skywalk linking the station with the tower is under construction. And expected to be completed in May 2023. The 179-meter tall tower, roughly equivalent to a 54-story building, also serves as a learning park and is open to the public free of charge until October 31st, 2022. After that, admission fees are 60 baht for an adult and 40 baht for children. The tower features a children's discovery museum, an interactive exhibition of Samut Prakan's history, a library and a viewpoint area. The tower's construction began in September 2012 with a budget of 593 million baht. It is intended to be a new tourist attraction for Samut Prakan. The Samut Prakan Learning Park and City Observation Tower has finally been opened as the province's new landmark after almost a decade of construction. Local officials toot the tower as the only place that offers the most beautiful panoramic views of the Chao Phraya river mouth. The nation Thailand wrote, one-of-a-kind Samut Prakan Tower offers sweeping views of the Chao Phraya river. There is a dinosaur park on the premises.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nan.
And Odin. With this channel, we share our life with you and our little adventures. Following us, you will get to know over time our unusual life, because there is an age difference of 40 years in our relationship, which makes us special. Therefore, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to keep in touch and to get to know us better. And if you like what we are doing, then just give us a like to let us know. Built on a plot that formerly housed the provincial prison,
You still see parts of the old prison wall and some guard towers. Look over there, skyline is Bangkok.
I made another video about Samut Prakan. If you have not seen it, you can go there later. I leave a link for you to follow in the description below and in the end screen. As always, stop the video, click like, subscribe and comment. Now click on the thumbnail to stay with us. Thank you for watching.